Welcome to Beyond the Shine, CSI's video newsletter. I am your host, Brighton the Lustra Bear. Today we will introduce how the perfect lava application can increase recurring business. Are you looking for that extra punch for extremely dirty wheels, but for less? Lustra University, coming to you in 2020. The significance of the perfect lava application sheet is the difference between a first impression and a lasting impression. A wash that provides value in both entertainment and the outcome of a cleaner, drier and shinier car. Click the icon below to experience a high-quality lava application that will make your customers want to come back for more. Consider all your best practices for wheel cleaning. The right setup can lead to potentially a better cost point and better cleaning result. Click below to read more about the secret recipe for cleaning those extra dirty wheels. CSI is proud to offer in-person training to help better understand car wash chemistry. Lustra University will be offered across the country in 2020. In the meantime, if you are interested, we will be in Birmingham, Alabama next month. Please click below to learn more and consider LU being brought directly to you. Click on the LU logo below to learn more. Thank you for watching this issue of Beyond the Shine. Until next time, remember Lustra products guarantee a quality car wash with a lasting shine. Give your car a hug.